Hi, I selected Flippity.net because it is a digital tool that teachers can use to create engaging activities and assessments as recommended by TCK1 and the 2008 ISTE Standards for Teachers 2A and 2D. During this video, I will show teachers how to create a set of flashcards and their associated activities. We will also look at the other opportunities Flippity.net offers. First, you can go to Flippity.net. Choose the first activity, Flippity Flashcards. The bottom left of that says Demo, and you can go see what a finished product will look like. And you'll see up here that there's multiple tabs, and we will be able to do multiple activities once we create our flashcards. We then can go to the instructions, and I will walk you through this, but each activity has its own set of instructions. And then lastly, we'll go to the template, and it will ask you to make a copy, and you want to do that. Okay. As soon as you get there, you'll see that you have a spreadsheet, and all you have to do is enter things that you want on the left-hand side, and then the second column will be your back. The card color will be over here. You can change that, and the text color. You don't want to modify the blue cells. You can choose from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple cards, and text colors. If you don't want to choose a color, leave it blank, and you'll just have regular note cards. And you can change the title by going down to the bottom, and I'm going to call this Practice. Okay. And you want to select however many cells you're going to be using. And I'm going to get rid of these. Let's see. So there's 30. And we'll just put a few terms in here. So maybe the mean, which is just a process, add up all the numbers. And the median, middle number, range, high minus low, mode, which is most often, and let's do maybe one more, lower quartile, the median of the lower half. Okay. Then you want to get rid of all the other ones, otherwise you'll have some extra space when you go to do some of the additional activities. So let's go ahead and get rid of all that. I think this would be a great way for kids even to show you what they know instead of you just doing it, but you can use this different ways. Okay, then you go to File and you go to Publish to the Web, and you want to publish. Okay. And then when it's done, you go down to the bottom to get the link here, and then go ahead and get the link. Let's see, and then put it in another window. Okay, and it will come up with your new flashcards, and you can rotate them. You can move to the next one, you'll see, like that. And up here it tells you how many you have. Okay, and that's your basic flashcards with the kids can work. You can go to the list. Okay, and play that.
Mean.
It's going to tell you what it is.
Add all numbers and divide the total in the set.
So people can hear it. You can practice. They might have to type it in. Let's see what it does. And so it told me I got it wrong, so that's a good way for them to practice it. You can have matching, and so the most often we want that with a mode. Okay, And we can add those. So you have a practice, and then it has a word cloud. Okay, and then you can add these to your other activities, and you can also print a quiz. So that's Flippity.net flashcards. So not just your basic set of flashcards, it lets you have some different opportunities. So let's go back to Flippity.net real quick and just see some of the other possibilities. You can do a like a Jeopardy show. You can do a tournament bracket. You can do crosswords, a bingo, hangman, spelling words. This little flippity mix and match might be good for English, where you can um, make up stories with the different settings and things. You can also print certificates, do Mad Libs. You can also do a progress indicator and a badge tracker. Okay. Something that I've seen other teachers use in our school is this random name picture or picker. And this one is specifically a wheel. And you can type in your names and spin people to pick a person. And you can get a lineup in groups of twos, threes, fours. So pretty unlimited, but it's a great way to come up with groups. And you can also generate new seating charts. So I hope you enjoy using Flippity.net.